Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. If you clicked on this video, it's because of course you want to know how to make lip gloss. So what you're gonna need are some gloves, you're gonna need some spoons for your mixing, you're gonna need bowls to put your gloss in, you need an actual lip gloss base, you need your pigment, whatever color you want. In this video we're gonna be doing a nude. You want to make sure you get your flavoring oil to give your lip gloss a little scent to it. You're gonna need pipettes, syringes, a moisturizing oil to make sure that your lip gloss is moisturizing, and you need lip gloss tubes, of course. Next thing you want to do, now we're gonna actually start the process. So you want to make sure you sanitize your hands. That's what I do. I sanitize my hands before I put them in the gloves. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm gonna sanitize my hands and then I will apply the gloves. After applying the gloves, I'm going to take my lip gloss base and take a measuring cup. I like to measure out my lip gloss base and my oils to make sure that I get the same consistency every time I make lip gloss. So I'm gonna squeeze this lip gloss into this measuring cup, and then I'm going to, of course, scrape it out of the measuring cup into the mixing bowl. Next thing you want to do, you want to make sure you grab some moisturizing oils, whether it's almond oil, coconut oil, whatever you decide to put in your products. And you want to add that to the lip gloss base. And this makes the lip gloss base less thick. It makes it more smooth to put on the lips. And while it's making it more smooth, it also makes it more moisturizing for your lips as well. So I add a certain number of tablespoons because, like I said, I want to make sure I get the same consistency every time. But the way you want your lip gloss might be different, so you may add less oils, you may add more oils, but to each his own. And after doing that, you want to just make sure you mix that in there and get it in there real good so that it becomes one. Next thing on your list is to grab your pigment. I'm going to grab this soft brown pigment to make our famous lip gloss Love Me. It is a, very subtle nude. So I'm going to add this pigment into my lip gloss base and coconut oil mixture. And then, of course, after that, you just got to mix it to combine it with the rest of it. And of course, you want to make sure you mix real good because there might be some pigment at the bottom that you didn't really get in there. So you want to make sure you mix to make sure everything is incorporated very well. You don't want any loose pigments just sitting around at the bottom of your lip gloss. Next, you want to get your flavoring oil. We use vanilla, you can use strawberry, you can use watermelon, you can use coconut oil, whatever you want to go in your lip gloss, that is what you use. So that's what you see me doing here. I poured out the flavoring oil, and then of course you already know the next step. You gotta mix. And make sure you mix real good. You want to make sure everything is incorporated to the best of your ability. Now, boom, done. You have your lip gloss. So, of course, the next step, you got to actually get it into the lip gloss tube. So, you want to make sure that you have your syringe, and you want to make sure that you have your pipette. So, what I like to do is attach a pipette to my syringe, because if you don't have like an attachment to the syringe, you won't be able to reach the bottom of the lip gloss tube. It's gonna be kind of stuck in the middle, and you're gonna be like, why won't it go all the way down? So you want to cut out the top part of the pipette, cut out the bottom part of the pipette, and then you attach it to the syringe like you see me doing in the video. And I like to add a piece of tape right there to, you know, keep the pipette attached to the syringe, because sometimes it may slip off. So to avoid that, we're just going to add a piece of tape to keep it in place. Okay, and now basically you're all set to go. All you have to do is get the lip gloss in the tube, in the syringe, and then you just have to squeeze the lip gloss into the lip gloss tube. So I was trying to see what was the best way to put the lip gloss in there, and clearly this was not the best way to do it, because it kind of got a little messy. But making lip gloss is messy, period. So if you do create some mess, then that's fine, because that's just all part of the process of making lip gloss. So what I ended up doing is just taking the spoon and kind of spooning it in that way. That was the most efficient way to do it. So you just want to spoon the lip gloss into the syringe and fill it all the way up, but don't fill it too much, because if you were to fill it to the top, it's going to get more messy than you want it to get. So just fill it up to the top, but don't fill it all the way to the top. Last but not least, take the syringe with the pipette attached to it and place it inside of your lip gloss tube, and begin to push the lip gloss inside of the tube. And you want to kind of go in like a sideways motion. So start in one corner, move to the next corner, then go left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. So you can make sure you fill those corners at the bottom of the lip gloss. And I bought this little like jewelry container thing at Dollar General, because trying to hold the tube and push the syringe at the same time is sometimes difficult. So when you got something that's holding the tube for you, it's like easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I thought that this was really efficient. And don't mind the lip gloss that's, you know, hanging off the side of the tube, because like I said, it does get messy, but all you have to do in the end is just clean it up, and then you will have a nice, neat lip gloss tube. Remember, it does get messy, but do not panic, do not fret. All you have to do is take a napkin like you see me doing here and just wipe off the excess. That's all you have to do. Making lip gloss is not easy, but you learn as you go. So all you have to do is just take a paper towel, wipe off the excess, apply the tip, and then you would, at this point, you have your lip gloss. Just apply the top, smack your label on it. Make sure you make sure the lip gloss tube itself isn't sticky, because sometimes it can feel sticky. So you want to make sure you kind of wipe it off, get rid of the stickiness, and boom, you have your lip gloss, and you're ready to wear it yourself, or you're ready to serve it to your customers. That is the end of this video, you guys. Here is the final product. You have a nice, cute, subtle nude lip gloss. And in the M.McClendon Cosmetics world, we call her Love Me. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And just keep coming back for more, because we're going to keep dropping these videos for you guys. Once again, thank you, and bye. Mwah.